Hi, welcome to Let It Simmer, and today let's make strawberry tart.
Here I have about cup and a half of strawberries. To that I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of demerara sugar or brown sugar, some orange peel. I had some orange peel, so I'm using it. You can use lemon peel also, and juice of half a lemon. There, I'll keep this aside. See, this is my about 6-inch pie dish. So for this, I need half of this, a little more than half of this dough. I'm going to use this for the cover and this for the base. First, let's dust the surface. Oof. Dust the rolling pin. And try to make it as round as possible. See, this is going to guide me. This is 6-inch. So I'll be making a little more than 6-inch so that I'm able to cover the edges also. The recipe for this pie crust I have shared in the link, and plus you will find it on the right hand side top corner. You see the butter here? This is by design. I think, yeah, this is good enough. So I'm going to just lift it with the rolling pin gently. Bring my pie base here, pie pan, pie dish. And cut off the rest. Next, we will fill it up with our strawberries. Ah, lovely. Now we'll keep this aside and we will make the top, the crust, the top crust. Again, we will flour our surface. Flour the rolling pin and okay. I'm going to find the center. I'm assuming this to be the center, and I'm going to cut hearts. It's Valentine's Day, so hearts. Okay, I think I can make one here. Again, I'll use the rolling pin. Bring this in. Make a wavy pattern. I'm pushing with my thumb and pulling with my forefinger. Just turn this around. There. Next, we'll crack an egg in a bowl. Just give it a quick whisk to break the yolk. And brush the pie. We'll stick a heart or two. Next, we'll sprinkle sugar on it. Now we'll bake this. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful.
Enjoy strawberry tart with cream. If you like, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.